Okay everyone, now we've just reached our last topic, which is Aine the Sé, Siopadóireacht, and at this stage I hope you have watched our video on how to count money in Irish. So the task that I want you to do here is, as you would do in class, I want you to just watch this video, play and pause, and I want you to translate what it means in your oral booklets as well. So let's get started and let's get kicked off, and we'll get a bit of oral practice here as well. So Aine the Sé, Unit 6, Siopadóireacht. Question 1. Cavéad, how much? We've come across that before. Cavéad dinne tá the howlach, how many is in your family? Cavéad atá Aaron, how much is bread? This here is just a summary of the notes that you will also find on your topic map and your virtual classroom from there. So let's move straight into question 2 then. An Jane 2. Ig Siopadóireacht. An Jane 2 ig Siopadóireacht. Do you go shopping? There was the present tense. Chem, I go. Ní haim, I don't go. Chem ig Siopadóireacht. I go shopping. Chem ig Siopadóireacht. Gach Jeru Seachtaine. Gach means every. Gach Jeru Seachtaine, every weekend. If you go shopping every day, you would write things like Gach la. Ní haim ig Siopadóireacht. Ach amháin ag an nollig at Christmas. So this one can mean I don't go shopping except at Christmas, or I only go shopping at Christmas. 3. Cén sort ruddy a canyon to? Cén sort phone atá agat? What type of phone have you? What sort of phone have you? Cén sort ruddy a canyon to? What type or sort of things do you buy? Cén sort ruddy a canyon to? Canyon, I buy. Then we have a number of items here. Scalóga, we all like these. Chips, lemonade, lemonade. Burger, agus uachtar ráite. Uachtar is the Irish for cream and ráite is the Irish for frozen. So that's the Irish for ice cream. Question 4 down as far as 12 all have the same structure. Cavéad atá air. Cavéad atá air. Cavéad atá air. Meaning how much is, or a literal translation would be how much is on. So if you can imagine an item with a price tag on it, that's what that means. So cavéad atá rother. How much is a bike? Aaron, a bread. Cavéad atá calóga hour. We came across this in our last topic. Gích mé calóga hour, I ate cornflakes. Cavéad atá císte. How much is a cake? Cavéad atá éasc, and that's the same éasc out of éascarach for fishing. Butter, we know leor from our first topic. Book, scalóga is the same scalóga as up here, which is chips. And uil is an apple. And again, for our answers for 4 to 12, it's the same structure. Tá starts every sentence. We have tá, then we have the price, then we have the preposition in all of these, and then we have the item, and that refers back to what we have here. So we have the tá, the price, the preposition and the item. So let's look and see, can we work out how much the rother is. So tá ja céad punt rother, £200 for a bike. Ní bean is Shaska is 69p. Then we have ja fin is Octo is 82p. Tá Kira font £4 for a cake. £3 20p for fish. We have £2.40 for butter. We have Shacht Bunt Jeg, £17. And we have quite cheap chips here on this one. Kuig Fin is Noha, 5p and 90, 95p. And then our apple, equally cheap at Ní Bean Jeg for that. Now, I do want you to notice, and you have notes in this as one of your other tasks, some of these take a H after er and some don't. So I want you to go back through and make sure you know why that happens. Okay, so that's a common thread for what we've looked at for question 1, 2, 3, and then 4 to 12 is a common practice. And our last 3 questions, as you can see, quite a common bit. Ken shoppa in a Ghanaian 2, Ken shoppa in a Ghanaian 2, Ken shoppa in a Ghanaian 2. And they all mean in what shop do you buy a blank? Our answers then, all very similar. Ghanaian 2, a shoppa and the type of shop. Ghanaian 2, a shoppa. Ghanaian 2, the item, a shoppa. So let's look at our first question then, number 13. What shop do you buy sausages? You buy sausages in a butcher shop. Ken shoppa in a Ghanaian 2 cabbage, which is a cabbage. So you buy a cabbage in a glass for green. A green grocer or fruit and veg shop. And then Brista is the Irish for trousers. So Ghanaian 2 Brista is shoppa 80. In a is shoppa 80 in a clothes shop. So that gives you an overview of the topic. So I want you to go make sure you've worked how to do this, pause and translate as you're going along, and then work through the other different videos, and good luck with the rest of the topic. Moishev.